Hello, my name is Abhijit Dilip Karmalkar and today's date is 21 October 2021 and today's video topic is why string is immutable. So we will discuss about string immutable, why string is immutable. In object-oriented programming language, the immutable string or object that cannot be modified once it is created but we can only change the reference to object but we can only change the reference to our object. We restrict to change the object itself. The string is immutable in Java because of security, synchronization and currency catching and loading. The reason of making string final is destroy the immutability and not allow to others extend it. So the string object are catched in the string pool and it make the string immutable. The catched string literal are accessed by multiple client. So there is always a risk for for where action performed by one client affects all other clients. For example, if one client perform an action and changes the string value from pressure, and all remaining clients will also read the value for the performance reasons. So catching of string object was important. So to remove that risk, we have to make the string immutable. So there are more reasons of making string immutable. So uh, we will discuss that reasons. The string pool cannot be possible if string is not immutable in a Java. Not immutable in a Java. A lot of heap space is saved by JRE. The Java string variable can be referred to by more than one string variable in the pool. Uh, sorry, string entering can also not be possible if the string would not be immutable. So if we don't make the string immutable, it will be it will be pose a serious security threat to application. For example, database usernames password are passed as a string to receive database connection. And the socket programming host and port descriptions are also passed as a string. And the string is immutable, so it is a value cannot be changed. So if the string doesn't remain immutable, any hacker can cause security issues in the application by changing the reference value. Changing the reference value, the string is safe for multi-threading because of its immutableness, and different threads can access a single string instance. It removes the synchronization for the thread and safely, because we make a string thread safe implicity. Immutability gives a security of loading that correct class by class loader. For example, suppose we have an instance where we try to load Java SQL connection, but the class the changes in the referenced value. The my hacked connection class does not unwanted things to our database. So that's all the why string is immutable. Thank you.